So today I'm going to do a little review on the Gasky mechanical keyboard. So first of all, let's just take a look at some of the features it provides, and then I'll go into like an overview of how I like the keyboard and what I think of it. So first off, it's obviously blue switches. So if you can hear that, just listen. Has blue key switches, has a nice aluminum finish. I wish this LED was a different color, but that's okay. So that's the one big feature, is obviously it has blue switches, which is very important because I personally like the tactile feel and looks of it. So other features it has this stagnant color look, so you can change it to different colors that you want it to be, and has various RGB spectrum. Then the next one is a kind of breathing mode. It's very faint. You can also change this mode. Next mode is this FPS mode, where it shines LEDs on the shift key control and your general FPS buttons that you would use while gaming. This chain goes through a color spectrum, changes colors. This next one lights up the key after you press it. It's really cool seeing how that lights up. This is a pulsating, changes various colors. It kind of pulsates, kind of wavy form, any color you want. And a rainbow color goes through all the spectrum. I personally like red when I'm playing Gears of War 4. Matches the theme and the overall Diablo theme. This is a light up mode that goes back and forth, kind of Tetrisy style. It's cool. I don't really use it. To be honest, it'd probably annoy me if I was trying to use a keyboard like this. This is my favorite light mode that I usually use. So you press it and it lights up the keys around it. Makes the light go out from that point. It's just a really cool feature. And this one lights up, I think, 6 or 4 different keys around it in different colors, depending on how you click it. And then you're onto this rainbow spectrum color. All features of significantly more expensive keyboards like Razer, Black Widow RGB, or the Corsair K70 or K95 RGB. So personally, I keep it on this mode, but for looks I like this one. It's kind of nice. When you have the lights on, you can still see it, but obviously with the lights off like I have it now, it's much more easier to see. So what I like about this keyboard is the customizability. Obviously these are features that they have default installed. There is a way to actually, every single key can be programmed separately, but that's an interesting process. I haven't tried that because since this is a off-brand mechanical keyboard, there's a convoluted process on how to set the keys, and it's of Chinese origin, I assume, so it's not as simple as just pulling up your Razer Synapse or whatever software you would use for your keyboard. Other thing I like about it is the blue switches. I always was a fan of the green switches in my old Razer keyboard, but these ones do just about the same thing. The only thing I kind of feel the quality lacking when I'm clicking, the switches feel a bit cheaper. They feel cheap, and that's totally reasonable given the price you pay for this. Which I didn't mention, I paid $40 for this keyboard. It has features that $140 keyboards don't have, or they do have, but you're paying a absolute premium for those features. And with this one, you can spend a little bit of cash and get a really good gaming experience right off the bat, and just an overall good experience. Now, would I recommend this keyboard? Yes. If you have any spare cash and you don't already have a mechanical keyboard, try this keyboard out. This one isn't currently available on Amazon, but there are other variants of brand names. They're basically the same company, but they just rebranded it differently. So they all should be fairly similar and similarly priced. You can find it on eBay as well, and it's good. It's a good quality product. The only thing that I'd say is lacking is the quality in the switches, which I don't really blame them given the price you pay for this keyboard. Other than that, it's a great keyboard. I love playing on it. I love playing all my games, and it's just overall a good experience.